You guys, I have a surprise for you. I have a FabFitFun. It has been a long time since I've done one of these, and I'm here to share with you guys the summer FabFitFun summer box. So yes, they got a hold of me. They asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing, and you guys know I love to do unboxings, but this time I got to choose what I want, and I was super excited to choose the items. So each box, you get to choose 6 items up to a $350 value. They actually show like the prices of what they are, and like usually people are like, oh, I gotta get the most expensive one. I am a person where I'm like, okay, what will I use the most? And I already forgot what I got in here. I forgot what I got, so it's like a surprise all over again. But they have where you guys can get this yourself. Now they have a annual box that you guys can get it where you sign up for a year subscription. It's going to be $219.99. That's basically $55 per box. But I have it where if you guys use a code DesignerJenGift, if you want to do the annual box, you will get a free gift valued over $200 with a new annual membership. So there's that one. Or if you guys want to just try it out and check out one box, which is awesome also, you can get a seasonal membership, which is $69.99 per quarter. So again, they have 4 boxes per year. But if you use my code just DesignerJen, you guys can get 20% off your first box, and it ends up becoming like $55.99. So this is a great deal where you can get a box for $350 of items up to $350. So you get 6 full-size items, and this is the summer box. So let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got. These boxes just keep getting bigger and better. Bigger and better. Okay, so I'm just gonna lift the little flap if I can get it open. I don't want anything to fall out. Okay, so here we have, it is the summer of 2024, and we got deals for days, deals every week for all your favorite brands. You're gonna use this little QR code and you can win it. They also have it where you guys can win things too and get front or first time access for it. So here comes the sun, doo doo doo. Here comes the sun, will I sit? Alright, now here is everything that I got. It's hard to share with you guys what I got in my lap, but yeah, these are all the items that I got. So the first item I picked out was one of these little cute little makeup bags. I travel, not a lot, but we travel a lot if I go to my parents' house, and I'm always looking for stuff to, I have one makeup for my makeup bag, and then I have another bag for my personal stuff, and then I need to like keep some other things in there like sunscreen. I have some other stuff, and my bags are just not big enough, but these would be perfect for it. So this is a 2-pack of these items, a little travel size bag, or you could just take this to the pool. And another thing I think was kind of cool is I could put my books in here. Like if I go to the beach or something, this is a cute little bag to put my Kindle in, or if I actually have my books, like this would be a small book, this would be a big book, and I'm keeping them protected. So yeah, so we have the Beach Riot is the brand, but you got like a nice little case right here for that one, and then we have a smaller one. So that was one item that I chose. Another thing I really wanted to try was this Amaka brand, and I ended up getting shampoo and conditioner. I have been having problems with my hair. As you guys know me, I am a couponer, so I'm always buying whatever's the cheapest. But I'm trying to figure out if I should buy like salon shampoo and conditioner, or maybe get something a little bit better, because I'm losing my hair all the time. I have chunks of hair come out all the time, and I don't drink coffee, so I end up like relying on me taking a shower every day to kind of just wake me up. And I'm super excited to try this shampoo and conditioner by Amaka. So it's called Mirror Ball. It is a high shine protectant antioxidant shampoo, and then we have a high shine protected antioxidant conditioner. It says for a mane as bright as a mirror ball, this lustrous shampoo or conditioner, the one says cleans hair while boosting brilliant shine and one luxurious lather infused with red wine grape leaf extract. This formula, yeah, I'm pretty excited, and these bottles are super cute. So this is another thing that I got to choose in my box, and I thought since I'm getting another brand of that, something leaked in here. It would have been this. Ugh. Yeah, I got stuff spilled in here, but I ended up getting this Amaka Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. yeah, I don't know how much. The bottle's still full, but some of it leaked out. It's kind of gooey on the top. But I have frizz. I have problems with frizzy hair. And I live in Wisconsin, and we have humidity that is just ridiculous. And I want to use this. It says it lets smooth things over between you and your unwanted frizz. The 60-second at-home treatment reduces frizz and blocks humidity while boosting shine and delivering healthier looking hair. So usage after using conditioner, squeeze excess water from the hair and then fully stretch, wait 1 minute and then rinse. So they want you to kind of use this while you're in the shower. So I'm pretty excited. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, we got that. Another thing I got was this serum. I'm trying to take care of my face a little bit. I have used serum here and there, but I kind of wanted to use another serum. So here we got, is it Samphire? It is called Biotic Perfecting Serum. And I'm pretty excited to use that. We got a nice little pretty bottle of this Earth Harbor serum. Let's see what it smells like. It smells pretty decent, but yeah, like I said, I want to kind of start using stuff that's a little bit better on my skin. And like they had like tons of things to choose from. Like I think there was a blanket in there, but I have so many blankets. But yes, we got that. The next thing I got is a 3-piece makeup set. Now I use makeup brushes like crazy, and I am always looking to try a new makeup brush because some of the ones I've tried are really like bad. Like I hate using them. And I've always just wanted to try new makeup brushes, and these looked pretty good. These looked pretty good, so I wanted to give it a try, give it a whirl. I think there's 3 brushes in here. Oh, they feel super soft. Super, super soft. But here we go on the brushes. So they look like that. If you guys can kind of see, they feel super soft. I feel like I could use this. Oh, they are so soft. I'm not used to super soft things. Yes, so we got some nice looking hair brushes. And then the last item I got, I think these are sunglasses. But yeah, these are all the brands that you guys get to choose from. But yes, we got some sunglasses because number one, you can't go wrong with sunglasses. You cannot go wrong with sunglasses. There's some, but this is Le Specs, so we got that. And I think these were the most expensive items that I got in my boxes. I can't remember, I didn't write down the prices, but I ended up getting these. I thought these are kind of cute. There's something that I don't normally wear, but I like them. They look good. They feel comfortable. I like them. Yeah, Le Specs. So yeah, that was everything that I got in my box. Like I said, you guys get to pick and choose whatever you want in your box. It's going to be either $69.99 a month, or if you do the annual, it could be up to $55 per month or per box. But you can either do the 20% off for the seasonal, or you can get a free gift up to $200 if you try out for the annual. But that was everything that I got. I'm pretty excited because it's all stuff that I want to use and I want to try to use it. So, but I'm really excited to use the shampoo and conditioner. Not very much of this leaked out. It's just a very little bit. It smells so good. I wonder what the shampoo and conditioner smell like. I'm afraid to use this. I'm trying to open it because of the little seal. It smells very similar to it. But yeah, that was everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all the information below so you guys can enjoy this box also. Thanks FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I am a partner with them, and I am pretty excited to share with you guys everything that I got. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. See you later, and bye-bye.